I'm gonna make the world's best water slime and then have the shop staff rate the slime. And if I don't get a high enough score, then I'm gonna have to jump in the slime pool. You are fooled. This is actually a frozen water balloon. I have the real balloon right here. That was supposed to explode. First, I want to try making water slime on a small scale before we go to the mixer. So we have our bowl, our glue, but we need to go steal some water, and I know just the spot to go get it.
Christian, my water! Oh. Christian!
All right, guys, we got our water, so now we can actually do our test. So I'm following off the first thing I Googled on the internet about water slime, and you basically want to do about 3 parts water and 1 part slime. So we're just gonna add, I don't want to say a whole bottle of water, but a bunch of it. That looks about good. I pretty much just used the whole thing. And then we're gonna add a little bit of glue. And the reason what makes this water slime so unique is that it literally just feels like you're like holding water. So that's what we're gonna try to do. So we don't need that much glue. I know it looks like I'm pouring a lot, but we'll start off with maybe just about that. And then we'll let this thing just like mix together for a while. And then we'll start adding some activator. Do I need more glue? Maybe I need more glue. I should probably measure this out, but I think it's more fun when you have no idea what's going on. Just like how I go through life. It's got to be incorporated, so now we just got to add a little bit of activator. Just literally just that much, see what happens, and then go from there. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. We're getting something. We're getting somewhere. All right, I am going to add a little bit more glue to this, because right now it's like, there's like a little bit of slime, but then there's like, it's mostly just water. And obviously, ironically, yes, it's a water slime, but we do want it to be a slime, not just water. Slime is technically called a non-Newtonian liquid or something, so it has solid properties, but also can be a liquid. Now, from what the tutorial I watched from somebody, they did say that it's easier to make the slime by hand once you get to a certain point, so that's what we might do. So we're gonna take this out of the bowl. Whoa, look how jiggly that is. I don't know, do you guys think this is water slime? I'm a little concerned about it. I'm gonna be real. I guess the video must go forward. I guess we just gotta try it on a big scale, and maybe we'll just give it a little bit more time for the water to absorb it, but it is a bit more jigglier, and I think it just needs to be mixed better. That mixer is gonna be so much more helpful. So let's go try it on the big scale. Our first ingredient is gonna be a gallon of clear glue, so that's what we're gonna throw into the mixer. Essentially, we're gonna also have to do about 3 times the amount of water in here, and I think we're gonna just definitely let it mix way more than we did for our test, and I think that should hopefully fix it. It really just needs to incorporate over time. Hey, listen to this noise. Get your mind on the gutter, guys, come on. So I walked across the room with this water. I'm gonna have to do this about 5 more times, but I think this is 64 cups of water. So probably gonna need 3 more of those. I lost count of how many gallons of water we added, but I feel like eyeballing it, I feel like that's enough. So we're gonna put this in here, and then we're gonna let this thing mix and just kind of incorporate over time, and then just kind of keep an eye on it before we start activating it, because I don't want to get like stuck and then we can't fix the slime. So I don't know, this is the first time I'm ever doing it. Look at the water become slime. So satisfying. Looking back at our first test, if you just let it air it out a little bit, it actually kind of turns out pretty good. Obviously, it would look clear if we gave this some time for the air bubbles to escape, so that's why it looks opaque, and I think this would look like water. And it might just be also a little bit too over-activated, because the ones that you see online like literally look like water, but I mean, it's jiggly. Like normal clear slime doesn't look like this. Now that it's been mixing for about 15 minutes or so, I want to kind of feel it and see just what it feels like. I don't know what I'm feeling for, but it definitely does feel all incorporated together. Oh, look at it. If we get the bubbles out of the way, you can actually kind of see how clear it is. Now let's go pick out a color. We'll let that mix, and then we'll slowly activate the slime, because I think with the test, I over-activated it a little bit too much. So I think we just kind of baby this one, and hopefully we'll be able to come out with a really good slime. I already have an idea of what we're going to be theming the slime, because I have the perfect charms in mind. So I think I'm going to just stick with the blues, and I'm thinking probably a sky blue. It always just looks really nice with clear slime, and it's just kind of like my go-to. So sky blue it is. Don't worry, fuchsia. I'll see you soon. Like I said, we definitely want to take it slowly. We don't want to over-activate it, as I tend to do with slimes. I mean, guilty. So we're just going to slowly add just a little bit. This is probably about half a cup. And we'll just let it mix. See what happens with it and go from there. I want to take it baby steps, okay, guys? Guys, the slime actually came out really good. Like, look how jiggly that is. It still kind of came out a little like over activated. Like, it definitely doesn't have like a, Yeah, it doesn't really have the stretch that I'm looking for, but like that is water slime. This is what I've been looking for. Revolutionary stuff. This is the world's best. I'm gonna go pack up a couple of these. We're gonna decorate them, and then we're gonna show the staff. We have the slime out of the mixer, and I cannot believe how jiggly this slime is. And just for comparison, I wanted to show. So this is just a normal clear base slime, just clear glue and activator. That's it. Doesn't really move that much. You know, it definitely feels thicker compared to the other slime. Nice stretch. All right, so here is our water slime. Look how much that's jiggling. It's literally like night and day. So that's why I'm like kind of freaking out, because we normally don't work with slime like this. One thing you can do is like slap it and it just has this cool effect. 3, 2, 1. Not gonna lie, that kind of hurt. Now we gotta decorate 5 slimes. We wanna go with these like tiny water bottles. This is obviously water bottle slime. I mean, come on, tomato, it's gonna be perfect. So we have these little water bottles here that are just gonna be like in the middle. And we have this really nice purple glitter that I'm gonna kind of just dust on. So yeah, let's fill up these slimes and then let's see what people are gonna be rating them. I'm hoping that I won't have to stick my feet in that slime, because that slime has been sitting there now for 2 weeks. It's kind of nasty. So let's just pray that I can make a really good slime. Here we have our 5 slimes, and I love just the little touch of glitter. It just kind of gives it a nice sheen, so it'll be really satisfying when they push it through. And I mean, come on, the water bottle charms are like perfect. I think we have a bestseller. Listen, Andrea, you have my information. I will sell this idea to you. But let's go see what the shop staff thinks. So I have to get at least 35 points out of 50. If I can't, I gotta put my feet in some dirty slime. So let's go see if I can redeem myself. Amy, this is my water slime. I want you to rate it whatever you think out of 10. So feel free to touch it, you know, theming, everything. Take that all into account for your rating.
Oh, wow. I love this. I like this a lot, yes. I don't know what it reminds me of, like Jell-O?
Yeah, it's very similar to like a Jell-O texture.
How can a soft slime be crunchy, but it's like crunchy?
Yeah.
I love it. 10 out of 10.
You gave me a 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Let's go. Wow, can you guys believe that? A 10 already? I only need 25 more points and we still have 4 people left. I'm ecstatic right now. I really thought we were gonna struggle. All right, Austin, give me your rating on this slime. Feel it, take into account, you know, theming, texture, everything. And I just wanna hear your thoughts, you know, as you experience this slime.
This is very strange. At first I thought it was gonna be sticky, but it's not exactly sticky. I mean, it's not the worst. It's not sticking to me.
That's good.
Kind of uncomfortable.
Okay.
Overall, it's fun. It's fun? Yeah, an 8 out of 10 for me.
Wait, an 8 out of 10?
Yeah, like I would buy this just to have one of this texture.
No way. Awesome. Thank you. All right, Haley, rate this slime. Give me your thoughts.
That's a good bouncing.
Yeah, it's definitely got a good jiggle.
A 6? Because I like the jiggle, but it would have been higher if you didn't take my water bottle earlier. Sorry.
I guess that's fair. I mean, I did steal your water bottle. We're in a good spot, guys. We have 2 to go, and I only need 11 more points, so I'm feeling pretty confident that I will not be putting my feet in slime. All right, Micah, give me your rating on this slime, your thoughts on it, play by play, whatever you think about it.
Okay, I thought I was gonna like this, and I immediately hated it. It feels really weird.
Why don't you like it?
I don't know. It's like falling apart.
But isn't that cool?
It's really cute. I'm not gonna lie, I like the color, and I love these little water bottles. Okay, out of 10?
Yeah, out of 10.
A 3. I'm sorry.
Thank you. Thank you. I thought I could count on you, Micah.
Sorry.
It's okay. No, it's honest. It's honest. Thank you.
Weird.
I was off to a hot start, but I'm getting kind of nervous now. I didn't realize Micah was going to give me a 3. Like, really? She did say off camera that she's a big icy gal. And also, to be fair, you know, like certain people like certain slime textures. So I understand. I get it. It's not for everybody. We need to talk to a slime expert that really knows their stuff. So they're going to understand how hard it was to make this slime texture. But I'm kind of nervous. I'm really just putting everything into the air right now, and hopefully they like it. All right, Andrea is going to rate this slime. So give me your thoughts. Feel it, touch it, theming, everything.
Does it have a name?
Water.
Oh.
Agua. I like agua.
It's really good. I think what did you put in this?
It's just
This
water.
doesn't feel right.
It's just water and glue, an activator.
Christian, I don't put water in my slimes.
I know that. That's what this challenge was. It was to make a different one.
But do you see? It's not doing anything.
Yeah, but
So what is the point of it? How do you play with it?
It's just jiggly.
Ew.
It's just jiggly. Yeah, see like that? Like that's fun.
So this is slime?
Yeah.
I feel bad, but I think I'm gonna have to give it like a 1.
Damn.
I don't like this. Look at it.
I can't believe you gave me a 1. Genuinely, I'm appalled right now.
I am too. That's why you don't want.
Damn. Well, I guess I'm gonna put my feet in some slime now. That is, I'm devastated. I really thought that I was not gonna have to put my feet in this pool. It was my first time making water slime. I nailed it. I've tried it multiple times. Maybe it's just an acquired taste for people. I don't know, but I guess the only thing I can do is just put my feet in this slime. I'm too sad to react even. It actually feels kind of good. I can't move in it though. Oh, I forgot. There's been like so many people that have stepped in this.